What's up, tech enthusiasts? Welcome back to All About AI Tech, where we explore the cutting edge of artificial intelligence. And trust me, it doesn't get much more cutting edge than generative AI. This technology is like handing a paintbrush to a computer, except this brush can create everything from music to code to stunningly realistic videos. So, buckle up, because we're about to take a wild ride through some of the most mind-blowing generative AI projects out there. Get ready to have your mind blown. First up, let's talk chatbots. But not just any chatbots. We're talking about AI-powered conversation wizards that can hold their own in a conversation. Imagine this. You're on a website, and you've got a burning question about a product. Instead of digging through FAQs or waiting on hold, you chat with a bot. But here's the thing. This bot feels like you're talking to a real person. It understands your questions, responds naturally, and even anticipates your needs. We're talking companies like Google, with their advanced language models, and even smaller startups building bots that are so good, you'll forget you're not talking to a human. Now that's customer service taken to the next level. Next, we're tackling information overload. We've all been there. You're scrolling through YouTube, and you stumble upon a video that's an hour long. An hour? Who's got time for that? Well, with AI-powered video summarization, you won't have to. Imagine this. AI algorithms analyze the video's content, pinpoint the key takeaways, and condense it all into a bite-sized summary. Need to catch up on a tech talk? No problem. Want the gist of a long documentary? Boom, done. Companies like Google and Microsoft are already making waves in this area. They're using their massive datasets and powerful AI to create summaries that are accurate, concise, and incredibly useful. No more information overload, my friends. Now, let's get down to business, the business of coding. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, you know that writing code can be a time-consuming and error-prone process. But what if AI could lend a helping hand? And I'm not just talking about auto-completion. I'm talking about full-fledged code generation. Imagine this. You describe what you want your code to do, in plain English, and the AI translates that into clean, efficient code. Companies like GitHub, with their Copilot tool, and even OpenAI, with their Codex model, are showing us the future of coding. A future where AI assists us, accelerates our workflow, and helps us build amazing things with code. It's like having a coding buddy who's always got your back. Hold on to your hats, art lovers, because the world of art is about to be flipped on its head. We're talking about AI systems that can generate original pieces of art. And I'm not talking about some basic, algorithmic patterns. I'm talking about complex, breathtaking masterpieces that could rival the works of human artists. Think about it. You type in a description, a style, a mood, and the AI generates a one-of-a-kind piece of art based on your input. We're talking about tools like DALL-E 2, Midjourney, and Stable Diffusion, which have exploded in popularity. These models are so sophisticated, they can create photorealistic images, surreal landscapes, abstract art, you name it. The possibilities are literally endless. This technology is democratizing art, making it accessible to everyone, and raising fascinating questions about the nature of creativity itself. It's an exciting time to be an art enthusiast. Get ready for a revolution in video production, because AI is stepping onto the set. We're talking about AI-powered tools that can generate entire videos from scratch. Imagine this. You input a script, a storyboard, or even just a description of what you want, and the AI brings your vision to life. This technology has the potential to revolutionize filmmaking, animation, and video content creation as a whole. Companies like Meta, with their Make a Video model, and Google, with their Imagen video system, are at the forefront of this revolution. These companies are putting powerful generative AI tools into the hands of creators, allowing them to produce high-quality video content with incredible speed and efficiency. From generating realistic scenes to creating stunning visual effects, the possibilities are limitless. Calling all music lovers and creators, AI is about to compose you a symphony. We're delving into the world of AI-generated music, where algorithms are churning out melodies, harmonies, and rhythms that will make you tap your feet. No longer confined to the human mind, music creation is being democratized with platforms like Google's Magenta and OpenAI's Jukebox. These powerful tools can compose everything from classical pieces to catchy pop songs, and even experimental electronic music. Need a soundtrack for your video project? No problem. Want to create a custom ringtone that's uniquely you? Done. This technology is opening up new frontiers in music creation, enabling both seasoned musicians and aspiring artists to explore uncharted sonic territories. So, get ready to turn up the volume on the future of music. It's going to be epic. Okay, quick question. How often do you use QR codes? If you're like, it's probably way more often than you ever expected. These little squares have become an integral part of our daily lives. But here's the twist. AI is making them even more powerful. No longer just static links, QR codes can now be dynamically generated and personalized, creating a more engaging and interactive user experience. Companies like QRStuff and BeaconsTac let you customize designs, add tracking analytics, and even create dynamic QR codes that update their content in real time. Need to share your latest social media post? There's a QR code for that. Want to offer exclusive discounts to loyal customers? QR code to the rescue. From marketing campaigns to event ticketing to product information, QR codes are connecting the physical and digital worlds in ways we never thought possible. And trust me, this is just the beginning. Feeling overwhelmed by information overload? Yeah, me too. But fear not, my friends, because AI is coming to the rescue with the power of text summarization. Imagine this. You feed a lengthy article, research paper, or document into an AI-powered tool, and it spits out a concise, easy-to-digest summary. No more skimming through walls of text, no more missing critical information. AI-powered summarization tools, like those developed by Google, Microsoft, and other companies, are changing the way we consume and process information. They can analyze complex texts, identify key themes, and generate summaries that retain the most important points. So whether you're a student crunching through research papers, a professional staying updated on industry news, or just someone who values their time, AI-powered text summarization is about to make your life a whole lot easier. It's like having a personal assistant who reads and summarizes everything for you. Talk about a game changer. Gamers, get ready, because the worlds you explore are about to get a whole lot more immersive. AI is invading the gaming world with dynamic, responsive, and surprisingly intelligent games that adapt to your every move. Forget predictable NPCs and repetitive quests. AI-powered games are throwing out the rulebook. Companies like Ubisoft, EA Sports, and independent developers are harnessing AI to create experiences that are as unpredictable as they are captivating. Imagine this. You're playing a role-playing game, and the NPCs you encounter remember your past interactions, evolving their dialogue and actions based on your choices. Or you're competing in a sports game, and the AI opponents learn your strategies, pushing you to your limits with every match. AI-powered games are pushing the boundaries of immersion, storytelling, and personalized gameplay, creating experiences that are uniquely tailored to you. Game on. Hold on to your hats, folks, because things are about to get weird and a little controversial. We're diving into the world of deepfakes, where AI is used to create videos that are so realistic, it's hard to tell what's real and what's not. Now, before you freak out, deepfakes aren't all bad. In fact, they have some pretty amazing applications in filmmaking, video editing, and special effects. But like any powerful technology, there's potential for misuse. Imagine this. You upload a video to a deepfake app, and within minutes, you can swap faces with a celebrity, a politician, or even your best friend. While this technology raises ethical concerns about misinformation and manipulation, it's also pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI-generated content. Companies are already developing tools to detect deepfakes and ensure responsible use, but it's a cat-and-mouse game, and the technology is constantly evolving. Calling all developers, researchers, and AI enthusiasts, the future of generative AI is being built in the open source projects, that is. We're talking about freely available tools, models, and code that anyone can use, modify, and contribute to. This collaborative spirit is accelerating innovation at an unprecedented pace. Platforms like GitHub are teaming with open-source generative AI projects, from text generators to image synthesis tools, and everything in between. It is here you'll find incredible communities of developers sharing their work, lending a helping hand, and pushing the limits of what's possible with AI. This collaborative approach is making AI more accessible than ever before, breaking down barriers to entry, and fueling a global wave of AI-powered innovation. Whether you want to contribute to existing projects or embark on your own AI adventures, the open-source community is waiting to welcome you with open arms or lines of code. Either way, it's a beautiful thing. Let's talk about Python, shall we? It's the language that's taking the AI world by storm. And when it comes to generative AI, Python is the ultimate playground. With its rich ecosystem of libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Keras, Python provides all the tools you need to build and train sophisticated generative models. It's like having a superpower at your fingertips. Imagine this. You're working on a project to generate realistic images from text descriptions, like those amazing DALL-E 2 creations. With Python, you can write just a few lines of code to load pre-trained models, input your text prompts, and watch in awe as the AI generates stunning visuals. Python's ease of use, flexibility, and vast community support make it a favorite among AI developers. So, if you're serious about exploring the world of generative AI, Python is your new best friend. Calling all data wizards and AI ninjas. If you're looking for a challenge, a chance to collaborate with the best and brightest minds in AI, and maybe even win some bragging rights, then Kaggle is calling your name. This online platform is a playground for data science, hosting competitions that push the boundaries of what's achievable with AI. And when it comes to generative AI, Kaggle is a hotbed of innovation. Picture this. You join a competition to generate realistic human faces, like those used in video games or special effects. You're given a massive data set of facial images, and your task is to build a model that can create new faces that are indistinguishable from real photographs. Throughout the competition, you'll be collaborating with other participants, sharing ideas, and iterating on your models. The competition is fierce, but the rewards are great. You'll gain valuable experience, expand your skills, and maybe even walk away with a prize. It's a win-win. So there you have it, folks, a whirlwind tour of some of the most mind-blowing generative AI projects out there. But here's the thing, this is just the tip of the iceberg. The field is evolving at warp speed, and I'm committed to bringing you the latest and greatest in AI. Speaking of commitment, I've been hard at work behind the scenes, upgrading my equipment and brainstorming new ways to make all about AI tech even better for you. I'm really trying to build a community here, a space where we can geek out about AI, share ideas, and learn from each other. So, hit that subscribe button, drop a comment below with your thoughts on generative AI, and let's keep the conversation going. And as always, stay curious, stay informed, and I'll catch you in the next one.